Welcome to Canyon CRP. To create a new route, access ROUT01 Route Management transaction. Here, click the New button. The required fields should be filled in the Create Route screen. Those are company, plant, alternative number, routing category. Alternative number must be the same as the alternative number of the BOM whose route will be created. Now, select the material number. And then click the Confirm button after completing all required fields. When the route information screen is opened, there is information on the material to be created in the header section of the screen, and the operation table of the route at the bottom. By pressing the zoom button in the Work Center area over here, select the Work Center for the first operation from the Work Center's screen that appears. The ideal operating times defined for the selected Work Center are automatically transferred to the operation information. To add a new operation, press the Insert key on your keyboard, and then from the Work Center area, select the second Work Center to be used in the operation. If desired, machine, labor, and setup times can be arranged from the screen. The sequence field on the screen indicates the operation priority. From smaller to larger, it determines the order in which operations will be performed. Now, after making the relevant changes, go to the General tab. The Warehouse and Stock Place on the General tab shows the default fields where the product will be entered when the production order is opened for the material to be routed. Fill the Work Center usage area, Work Center responsible, and status fields. Descriptions of the relevant operations must be completed before saving the route. If the fields in the table contain the Work Center standard operation defined in the check table for the Work Center, the operation description can be filled in by entering the operation description code in the corresponding field. After the operation descriptions are selected from the standard operation text field over here, the description will automatically flow from the standard operation text key, or you can manually enter the description yourself. Now, after completing the descriptions, you can select one of the operations and click the Detail button in order to see the operation detail. The General tab shows the ideal activity types and durations from the Work Center definition for this operation. When you switch to the Material tab, the raw materials entered in the BOM are displayed. Select the raw material to be used in the operation and then click the Add button. By pressing the Confirm button, the BOM route connection of the first operation will be established. By going to the detail of the second operation, the other raw material can be added in the Material tab. Now, create the route by pressing the Save button.